Okay, I've had a little look and I think I figured out what's going on. I swapped the outlet to the Bestway one because I wasn't entirely happy with the Summer Waves one, because I couldn't see how far the water was being pushed out. Whereas on the Bestway one, it really wasn't going that far. So we were already doing better, but still not quite 7 times better. And then I disconnected the skimmer because I wanted a bit more flow. But the ultimate thing that I think is the reason why is because I put some tablets in. What I didn't realise is, I don't know if you can see down there, is they seem to be covering most of the bottom. So I think they're blocking the water flow. So by doing everything like that, I think once they've dissolved, that flow will come up a lot better, and then I can put the skimmer back on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this bit, and because this is a downgrade, so it goes from 50 to 40 mil, I'm going to take this elbow joint out and then basically chop there, and whilst I'm at it, I'm just going to add this in because I need it somewhere. It would be nice to have one on that side, on the other side of the filter, but I can just get another one. And with that, I could get a 32 mil one because then it would fit nicely with the hoses. So let's shut this off. So here I can just do that for that one. It's going to be more difficult with this one. So I've blocked it off there in the pool. But what I can do, in theory, is I can disconnect this pipe and try and put a blocker in here as well. No, it's not deep enough. Okay, oh well. It is a lot less water than it could have been. So what we need to do is make sure we lean out enough depth so that wherever we cut it, we can then connect it on. And the same with this. But thankfully, as long as we cut it in the middle, we'll be fine. This one, yeah, be fine. So that's one piece. That's the second piece. So we're just going to have something like that. So instead of this join, I'm just going to put this in there, which should be deep enough. So I just need to sand off the edges. Let's just rough it up a bit whilst we're here. And we'll do the same to this. Okay. So then, obviously with the flow direction, we'd go that direction and that direction. And that's what we're going for. So let's glue. And then push it in all the way, and then twist. There we go. I have to be careful because by twisting it, the middle bit just keeps turning round, so I have to hold it. I'll show you in a second. Oh, just did it in the wrong order. So push it in and twist. Oh, this one's not doing it now. Oh, there you go. So you just have to hold on to that bit. So let's give it 10 minutes to dry and we'll see what we have. Okay, and whilst I'm here, I'm going to remove the things I put in here, the tablets. As we seem to be making progress, let's try with this. Okay, that's working much better. The skimmer's working. You can go in now. Just be careful with this water pump because what are you on about? It's the same water that was before. I think the main issue with this pump setup was the fact that I actually put the bromine tablets directly in the basket for the pump. That was a mistake. I should never have done that. I think it also didn't help that I put too many balls, cotton balls. I want to say filter balls, but then they're not the official ones, so I will get into trouble if I call them filter balls. And I basically crammed them in too much, so I think the water struggled to move through it. So that's two main problems. It may not have been necessary, but removing that extra 90-degree angle makes the system feel a lot nicer, and it felt weird, and it gave me a chance to put in that shut-off valve, which is actually really useful. And I was going to put it there anyway, so